And welcome to another episode of Hennys Munchies. I just got off work. It's Tuesday, so you know what that means. Happy Taco Tuesday. I am literally about to hit up the only taco truck in Sedalia. It is called Tacos El Arca. It is located literally right next to FFO Home, in front of Freddy's Steak Burgers, in front of Walmart. I just walked up to the guy and I just ordered my food. I'm patiently waiting, and I am ready to get my munch on. So, yo, I just got my tacos, and honestly, I was gonna wait till I got home, but I just can't wait. This smells so good, and I am starving. I went ahead and picked up 4 tacos today. I picked up 2 pastor, a pork taco, and their steak tacos. I'm about to prepare my tacos, and then I'm gonna eat them. So let me prepare these tacos, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so my tacos are prepared. I am ready to eat. I am going to record with one hand, and I am going to eat with the other. So my first taco for the day is gonna be a taco de pastor with both salsas. This one has 2 tortillas and some salt and some lime. So let's go. Lip smacking, boy. Best tacos. No, these are really good tacos too. Alrighty, now I'm gonna try the brisket taco. Here's the brisket taco right here. About to see what's up. Delicious. I've never had their brisket tacos here before. These are really good. The salt, the salsa, and the lime, perfect combination. Beautiful. I honestly can probably eat like 15 tacos maybe. No, I'm kidding, not that many. Alright, I'm gonna try the regular steak, both salsas, salt and lime. So let's go. Let's see what's up. So I'm talking about good steak. I swear, the tortillas are really good too. Nice and juicy tortillas. Well, you guys, I have a total of 3 tacos to go. I'm honestly just gonna start recording and enjoy the rest of these tacos. If you haven't been to the taco truck here in Sedalia, I highly recommend it. You guys will not be disappointed. Great food, great vibes every time, you know. So I hope everyone's doing great. Coronavirus is almost out of the way. They're about to open up the state, and you guys know what's up. But have a great remainder of you guys this week, and much love, everybody.